Hi, my name is Farron Glasscock, and I'm going to be presenting on spinal muscular atrophy, which is a mutation of the SMN1 gene on chromosome 5. So the SMN1 gene codes for the production of the survival motor neuron protein, or SMN protein, which helps make mRNA and is especially active in the spinal cord and the brainstem, where it maintains specialized nerve cells and motor neurons, assisting in the development of dendrites and axons. So in spinal muscular atrophy, the SMN1 gene is mutated either through a deletion on the gene or replacement of the entire gene by a gene called SMN2, which looks really similar to SMN1 but doesn't code for the full SMN protein, just a shortened version. So the lack of full-length SMN protein leads to a decrease in mRNA production, damaging motor neuron development and survival in the spinal cord and the brainstem. The results of this gene mutation include a progressive loss of mobility, muscle weakness and atrophy, difficulties with swallowing and eating, orthopedic and respiratory complications, and potential issues with vasculature and cardiac tissue. A deletion of just part of the SMN1 gene will lead to a milder form of spinal muscular atrophy, and a replacement of SMN1 by SMN2 will lead to a more severe phenotype because it results in even fewer full-length SMN proteins. So this is just an image kind of showing the differences between an unaffected individual and someone who has spinal muscular atrophy. So typically individuals will have one SMN1 gene, which makes all this wonderful working SMN protein, and then one or two SMN2 genes, which will make a bunch of ineffective shortened proteins, and like maybe 10% of it will be functional SMN protein. So that's an unaffected individual. People who do have spinal muscular atrophy don't have any SMN1 genes, so none of that protein is coming from SMN1 gene. The only SMN protein that they have is coming from SMN2 gene, which only makes about 10% functional protein. So this is just my references, and then a quick little reminder of how beautiful each and every individual is, no matter what influences their genes have had on their minds or on their bodies.